Right inside classes for button. Classes for button. Classes for button. Classes for button. You can write the class called btn. Next, you can write the class btn hyphen danger, btn sm, not a danger, danger, then info. Okay, you have written background classes in the beginning somewhere. BG danger warning success, same thing you can copy. Background classes are written in the top. Same thing you can copy and paste here. And we can modify to btn. btn, 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 and btn. Right, this all are the classes for button. Right below another class, button with border. Button with border. Button with border. btn hyphen outlet. btn hyphen outlet. Outlet we need to add extra in all the classes. btn hyphen outlet. Okay, written. Now create a file button.html. Create a file button.html. Create a file button.html. Created button.html.
Yes, sir.
We can take till body from the previous file. Use the body tag and close the body tag. Next, follow a division. Class as container. Next, follow a division. Class as a row. Next, follow empty 5 here. Follow the next division. Class call hyphen lg hyphen 12 text hyphen center. Text center is a class. It will print everything in the middle. Using text center class, you can print everything in the middle. Okay, next after that, right inside H1 button in Bootstrap. You can write for this a class M3. So from left, right, top, bottom, gap will come 20, not 20, 16 pixel. Okay, in Bootstrap. Now you will write the button. Keep the text called primary. And right here, class equal to btn hyphen primary. It will display a blue color button. It will display a blue color button. Check now, blue color or some other color. Blue color button will appear, something like this. Blue color button. Next, after that, we can add here called danger, btn hyphen danger. It will come in red color. Next, we will write false access. It will come green color. Okay, check now. Something like this. Danger red, success green. Similar way, you can keep here info. A sky blue will come. Info. Next warning. Warning. Next will be called secondary. Check now. We have one more called light. But light color button will not be visible. Okay, it is light color button will not be visible. In white, it will become white only. Ready? Multiple buttons will come of different color. Now come down after this. Write one more H1 and keep there button with border. Border. Button with border. Now copy the same button, paste again below, write border hyphen button hyphen outlet hyphen primary. So outlet class you need to add everywhere. Outlet, 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 and then outlet. Everywhere we need to add the outlet. Your button will be all classes is on by not outlet, outline, outline, out line. Outline we can change. Button outline. Change in developer guide also. Outline we are written here, yes. Here we are written outlet. Here also we wrote outlet only. It will be outline. Like is a border. Okay. Next, after that, keep one more H1 right below button group. Button group. Button group. Button group. Come down below. Write here a division. In that, write class equal to BTN group. BTN group. BTN group. BTN group you added. Now you copy this all the buttons. You can copy the first button. First button we have 6 button. 7 button you can copy. First 6, 7 button you have, you can copy and paste in this. Okay, button group, in that you copy and paste your all the buttons. You will find your button will look like this. It will have no space all together. That is called button group. BTN group. Okay. So button group look like this. This is called button group, no space. This is called button outline, border bottom. Button will have border. This is button separate with the spacing and everything. Okay, come next. Now we'll write the next classes for form and input box. Write classes for input elements. Classes for input elements. What is that? One is called form control. Form icon control. Okay. Form control. control. Form control. This is applicable for write for text, number, email, text, number, email, then password, file, or text area, or date time. Okay, so where we are going to use text, number, email, password, file, and text area. We have one more called form hyphen select. This is for especially for select box. Okay, next we have one more call form hyphen control hyphen sm. Form hyphen control hyphen md. Form hyphen control hyphen lg. Form control sm md lg. Sm what it will do? A small height. Small height. md for the medium height. Medium height. lg for the large height. Okay, so using this, we are going to create very good page, very good form. Okay, ready? Create the next file, form1.html. Form1.html. Next file, form1.html. 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 In that you can call again body till container, you can call division will be closed, body will close, HTML also will get closed. Now go inside, write a division class equal to row, next division class equal to all LG 4. Inside the first 4, write a H3 call contact us. Contact us. Come down and you should keep a comment first or end here or end here. Okay, written. Now write here a division. Inside the division you keep call label. Write here full name. Next write after that input type equal to text. Input type equal to text and check once. It will come side by side, it will come line by line. Okay, check in. It will come side by side. It's like this. Not much difference compared to HTML. We can use here a class called class equal to form hyphen control. Form control. We can use a class called form control. Okay, written form control. Check now. Page will be decorated properly. Text box will be organized properly. Now come down, create one more division. Label mobile number. Input type equal to text. Replace with the number. Okay, and check now. So your page should look like this. Yeah, no space from top to bottom. We can apply the space using the MB class. Class equal to MB3. Margin bottom 16 pixel. The right in second also MB3 margin bottom 16 pixel. Space got applied. Check now from top to bottom some space got applied. Now write one more field division. Every time whenever we use the form, we have to use this form control class. Label email ID. Input type equal to email. Yeah. Email ID, full name, mobile number, email ID. Next, after that, I write one more division. Message. Follow the text area. Open text area, close. Here you can write call. Area. Okay, text area is coming. Big message box. Next one button is required in the last. I write one division. Class text center will print in the middle. Text center class used to print in the middle. You will follow the button, open close, right inside call, send a message. Class equal to VTN, VTN hyphen, written, send message button. Should appear like this. Yeah, it will come in blue. Primary class we have used. Form control class will help you every time. Whenever you have any input element using form control class, you can control the design. There is this. Okay, next file we can create, or in the same file, this is under the 4 you have written. This is under the 4. So first 4 completed. Go for the second 4. Second 4. Equal to call hyphen sg hyphen 4 again. Okay, middle 4, write h3 again. h3 you can write. All input size. Input sizes. Input sizes. Small MD and LG. SM, MD and LG3 we have. We will use that. Okay, done. Now write again comment for end here. This is the second 4. In first 4 you have made the contact form. In second 4 now you are going to see the input size. Division class equal to MB3. Keep inside label a small. Input type equal to text. Class form control. Form control SM. We'll see this text box will be little small in height. Okay. So it's look like this, a small height. Next, create another text field. MB. This is called as a medium. MD. SM medium. A small medium. Okay, then medium, it will be normal size. See, this one and this one both are similar size. Next, you write one more called LG, large. Large. Rotate. Check now. It will be little big size. A small, medium, large. Okay, so next we can leave this file and we can work for next file. Okay, ready this file? Come to the developer guide. We can write the next. Okay, or based on this only, you can see in the whether first block or second block, your label is in the first line and text box is coming in the second line. Here also label is in first line, text box is in the second line. Right? So there may be a requirement where full name and text box both should be in the same line. It should not be in the name line. Mobile number and text box should be in the same line. Email ID and text box should be in the same line. Message and text area should be in the same line. Next example will help us. How to create form in line, side by side, not one to next. Okay, so create next file, form3.ht, form2.html, form2.html, form2.html. Okay, now division will be closed. Next container has to close. Next body needs to close. Next HTML also need to close. Okay, ready? Now come inside, write a division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 6 and write a comment call 6 and here 6 and here 6 and here. Inside the 6 you write a h3 contact us. You can write class equal to text center. So contact us will print in middle. Added. Now come next. So these contactors will print in the center here. Next, after that, you will write a division where you will write class equal to row and MV3. Inside the 6, we are creating the row. Row we are creating under the 6. Row we are creating under the 6. Row we are creating under the 6. Now inside the 6, a row is created. Under this row, you will create 2 columns. One is called class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3 and one more 9. 3 and 9. Call lg 3 and call lg 9. Okay, ready? 3 9. Under the 3, you will write here called full name as a label. And under the 9, you will create a text box. Input type equal to text class equal to form control. Topology 3 and topology 9. Check now, both are coming side by side. It will appear like this. Because inside the 6, we created another row, and the row will give always 12 columns. There we made 3 and 9. But this is inside the 6. The row first and row first and check now, side by side or here there. See there, inside the 6, I have created a row. Inside the row, there is to be an value 6. Click on that. Then you will the row here. Click on that. The row, and then after that space. Before every space. We have not got the position file. We got the position. You share some. Okay. Next, after that. So hope your page looks similar. It's coming side by side. Okay, next after that, create another row. Here, create another row. Class equal to row. Class equal to row. In that we can write again MB3 and keep their call as G3. Mobile number, but this is within the 6 only. Within the 6. 9. Type as a number. Check now. This should also come side by side. So this should look like this. Full name, mobile. Next we can add call. Email ID. Add one more row. Email. Email ID. Input type equal to email. And one more call address. This all will appear one after other in the same 6. Within the 6 only, this all will appear. Write one more. Message. Text area. Open. Text area close. Save now. It should look like this. Full name, mobile number, email ID, and message. Now after this, you write one button inside the division. Text hyphen center on button. Send a message. btn hyphen, or you can keep danger also. A red color button will appear. Button came in the center, red color. Something like this, side by side. All are inside the 6. All are inside the 6. Okay, now based on this, you need to log into that LMS. We have assignment, same user ID password. You can log in and go to the Bootstrap assignment and do the set number 1. Bootstrap assignment, and we can try the set number 1. For today discussion. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Form 1 file, I'll send you. Form 1. Form 2 also.